Okay, class, so this week, as I mentioned in our Freyer model video, we're going to be working with fractions, okay? So we're going to be doing multiplication of fractions. So since we're doing multiplication, we need to go ahead and have our chart ready. For this lesson, I'm going to upload it with it. However, I'm hoping most of you guys have it downloaded onto your Chromebook or your personal electronic device. You're going to have a worksheet with 10 problems. Okay, let me pull that out right now. Okay, so right now we're going to be doing number 1, all right? So 4 over 5 times 2, 10. 4 over 5 times 2 over 10. Okay, so there's 2 ways to solve this. Okay. Go ahead and set up my... sorry, guys. All right, whatever. I apologize. Okay, so you could multiply across, right? You could have 4 times 2, 5 times 10. Okay? 4 times 2 and 5 times 10. Okay? We could multiply across, okay? Horizontally. So looking at our chart, right? Let's zoom in. 4 times 2, right? Let's go to our 4, right? Let's count 2. 1, 2. So answer is 8. 5 times 10, go to our 5, count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Answer is 50, okay? 6th graders, you can try to practice this, but this is something I taught my 7th graders. So 7th graders, when you see this, you need to try to make this smaller, and we call that simplifying, okay? So you're gonna look at your chart and see what number goes into both 8 and 50. So in this case, right, it will be 2. So divide by 2, right, because they're both evens. Remember, I talked to you about looking at the numbers. Even number, okay? So any even number could be divided by 2. So when that happens, you're going to have 4 over 25, okay? So I will accept either this answer or this answer at the bottom, right? 7th graders, you need to try to work on getting this type of answer, okay? 6th graders, if you feel comfortable, try to simplify. Remember, it's just making it smaller by the number that goes into both the numerator and the denominator, okay? So this one was 2 because they're both evens, okay? However, you can use your chart to see what number goes into both numerator and denominator, okay? So you have your chart, or using the strategy I said, right? Any number that's an even number could be divided by 2, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and do number 2, okay? Give me one moment to erase this. I can set up number 2. Alright guys, I'm back. So 7 times 1, 7 over 9 times 1 over 2, okay? So we're going to have, right, we could multiply across times 1, 9 times 2, right? Remember, the 1 is the mirror number, so if 7 is looking at the mirror, right, is looking at itself, so 7 times 1 will be itself, 7. 9 times 2, we're not sure. Look at our chart that we have. 9 times 2, so we could go to our 9, count 2, 1 and 2. Our answer is 18, right? It lines up. 2 and 9, 18. So 7 over 18. Unfortunately, you cannot simplify this because there's no number that goes both into 7 and 18. So your answer, we'll leave it as that, okay? I'm hoping this video was helpful. Please join our session on Tuesday where we'll go over this more in depth. Okay, class? Hope you enjoyed it. Please email me for any questions. Thank you.